Steve, are you gonna let him do that? You gonna let Monster hump you like that? The world's ugliest dog humping a pit bull. It's funny. And he's neutered. You wouldn't want to reproduce with that thing. Right, Monster? You don't want no puppies. You ugly. But I want this girl right here. She's hot. I just want to bang. You're so small you wouldn't even please her. She's bigger than you. That's right. She's like, get off my cooter. I'm telling you. Give me that Becky. She's gonna tell you. She just want you to hump her. It's funny. Who's your doggy? Typical male, female. You gotta fight for it. Are we gonna let him do it? Thinking about it? No. You'll never get this. You will never get this. You will never get this. La 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 la. Kimbo, you're just chilling. You're like, I'm tired. I don't want nothing to do with that. Ooh. This is her baby daddy for real. He's just one of those guys that don't care if his girl's got a boyfriend or not. It's like, yep, get that. This should be the mating video of the ugliest dog trying to get a piece. And he's like, I would take it, Gypsy. Come on. Monster, get your lipstick away. But no, neutered dogs be so horny. This dog is crazy. He wants to, he's trying to tap it every 5 seconds he can get. And she's like, no, you'll never get it. Alright. Oh, there he goes. He's like, I got it. I got it. Oh, I'm going to try. I'm going to try. Oh yeah. I don't even know what I'm humping, but I'm going to try to hump. She's like, yeah. Yeah, right, Monster. Say, yeah, right. Come on, Diva. Show him who's bitch. Who's Queen Bee? Say, Pitbull will always win. Is that fireworks, Kimbo? Like, yeah. Monster. You're a monster, too. This is what real pit bulls look like right here. And female. See the chest? How wide they are and short? Monster, you're never going to win. She will never give it to you. Diva's gonna try to mount you now. Oh, there you go. Finally. Oh, that's fine. And then she sits down. Oh, you're still going at it. This is doggy porn. It's pretty funny. You are hilarious, monster. You had 3 attempts, and you fail every time. WTF, mate. Monster. Can you sing? Can you sing? Come on. Sing. Monster. Sing. Sing for the camera. Come here. Sing again. Maybe she'll give it to you now. Try again. Maybe she'll give it to you. Oh, try to get it. There you go. Maybe she'll let you have it. You will still never get it. You will still never get it. La 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 la. What? Oh yeah. What? You're just mad you can't get laid because you're ugly. That sucks. Oh, look at that. Try it again. Let's see. Let's see that again. Nope. Oh, who's your doggy? That sucks. I'm ugly. So thus far, you'll never get any. You'll never get any. Kimbo, you gonna let him take your bitch like that? He's straight up grabbing and humping your bitch right in front of you. And that's your... There you go. That's right. You tell him. You say, no, get off my girl. You show him, Kimbo. Who is boss? Now he's gonna man up to you. He's like, I'm sorry. I just want you to be my friend. Come on. You will never get this. You will never get this. La 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 la. Monster, get her. Kimbo, get her. You gonna let him get your bitch like that? No? Oh. Oh, you're tough. Alright. Monster, can you sing one more time? Monster, sing one more time. Monster, come here. Sing. Oh, get that. Get it. Come on, you can try, but you ain't gonna. Get it. Yeah, you're tough. Alright, let's just stick our head in the monster's mouth. Yeah. Don't stick your head in the pitbull's mouth, idiot. Try to get that diva. Come on, diva. You gonna put out for him? He's singing to you. Kimbo won't sing to you. He just sits there. He's like, yeah, I'm gonna take it. This is her baby daddy. Monster tries to sneak in every once in a while, huh? You try to sneak in and get that? You gonna try? I don't think so. Yep. And we're gonna try again. And you fail. Oh, get it again. Oh, you're not gonna take that. Yeah, just sit down. There you go. Oh yeah. There you trying? Alright, you're done. Well, everyone, that's the attempts of an ugly dog humping a pit bull. Hope you enjoyed it, because it's pretty funny if you actually see this live. See y'all later.